AirAsia for us is a low-cost airlines. We have about 250 planes and we operate from Japan to India. It is, if not the biggest, it's one of the biggest in Asia Pacific. Our cooperation started when Air France KLM serviced our components for generally the A330 and the A320neo. And then the cooperation start to grow from there because we want to manage the component better. So this is where we start to use the data science to innovate. It's a match. We want to go to digital. At the same time, Air France is offering a kind of offer that we can't resist, which is like going digital for the components. We are very interested because this is the end that is not being handled well by many other service providers. We started with predictive for components, how to predict component before it fails. So one by one, we want to start system by system where we can predict when is it going to fail. Predictive maintenance starts with the idea that we want to have everything planned, less unscheduled, less disruptions to the operations, so less complaints, less customer dissatisfaction. That is cost saving. That is also another way increase our revenue because we can fly more. This is a difference because it is an airline experience. It's not what the OEM says, it's what airline says. The real practical experience. You learn from the people who has done it. The proximity is important, very important, to convince. Having someone locally positioned here would be telling, somebody has done it, there's a certainty to it. It's a help in pushing through the innovations across the culture. The relationship is fruitful because adapted to the local practices. The presence of people here is able to create a response, a teamwork between them. Starting with predictive, we can run very fast. We are moving into also what we call quantitative supply chain with the help of Air France. So this is also a big disruption. We can do a lot more. We are looking at doing fuel conservation. What can we learn from each other? How does Air France does fuel conservation compared to AirAsia? So this should be like working together both ways, collaborative effort.